Hey guys, are you want to buy best 1000W power supply? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best 1000W power supply that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Be Quiet Power Supply. The ATX 3.0 power supply is a high-performance unit designed for modern, demanding systems. With 80+ titanium efficiency up to 95.2, it ensures minimal energy loss and lower electricity costs while maintaining stable power delivery. Fully compatible with PCIe 5.0 GPUs and devices requiring 6+2-pin connectors, it's ready for the latest high-end graphics cards. Cooling is handled by an improved frameless silent wings fan, delivering near-silent operation even under heavy loads, while the full mesh front panel with funnel-shaped air inlet maximizes airflow for optimal thermal performance. For enthusiasts and overclockers, the PSU features an overclocking key, allowing users to switch between 4 12V rails or a single massive 12V rail, offering flexibility and precise power distribution. Combining efficiency, silent operation, and cutting-edge compatibility, this PSU is an ideal choice for gamers, professionals, and PC builders seeking reliable, high-performance power for their rigs. Now our second product is Be Quiet Power Supply. The Be Quiet Pure Power 13M1000W is a high-performance, 80+ gold certified PSU delivering up to 94.4 efficiency, ensuring lower power consumption, reduced heat, and quieter operation. Fully ATX 3.1 compliant, it supports PCIe 5.1 graphics cards with native 12V-2x6 connectors and 4 6+2-pin PCIe ports for current GPUs, making it versatile and future-ready. With a massive single 12V rail, it provides 1000W continuous power and handles transient spikes up to double its rated output, offering reliable performance for demanding processors and graphics cards. The semi-passive 0 RPM cooling ensures near-silent operation at low loads, while the airflow optimized Be Quiet fan manages heat efficiently under heavier loads. Featuring LLC topology for stable voltage regulation and fully modular cables, it simplifies cable management, improves airflow, and keeps systems tidy. Ideal for quiet gaming rigs or high-end media PCs, the Pure Power 13M1000W balances power, silence, and efficiency perfectly. Our third product is Corsair Power Supply. The Corsair RMx fully modular PSU combines efficiency, reliability, and sleek design in one high-performance package. Its fully modular cabling allows you to connect only the cables your system requires, simplifying installation and improving airflow for quieter, cooler operation. Cybernetics Gold certification ensures up to 91 efficiency, reducing power consumption and minimizing heat output. Fully ATX 3.1 compliant, it supports PCIe 5.1 graphics cards and is built to withstand transient power spikes, making it future-proof for high-end gaming and professional builds. The native 12V-2x6 connector provides direct GPU compatibility without the need for adapters, simplifying setup for modern graphics cards. With embossed low-profile cables, installation is easier and cable management looks clean, adding a polished aesthetic to your build. Perfect for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts, the RMx PSU delivers stable, quiet, and efficient power for demanding systems. Now number 4, Be Quiet Power Supply. The Be Quiet 1000W 80+ gold PSU is a premium, high-performance power supply designed for gamers and professionals. With up to 93 efficiency, it reduces energy waste, lowers operating costs, and generates less heat, ensuring cooler operation and longer component lifespan. Fully ATX 3.1 compliant and equipped with a PCIe 5.1 12V-2x6 600W connector plus 4 6+2 PCIe connectors, it's ready for current and next-generation GPUs. Delivering 1000W continuous power across dual 12V rails, it handles transient spikes up to 2000W, offering stable and reliable performance for high-demand systems. The 120mm Be Quiet fan with temperature-controlled speed and optimized airflow ensures near-silent operation, even under heavy loads. Fully modular cables simplify installation, improve airflow, and allow for a clean, professional-looking build. Combining efficiency, reliability, silence, and flexibility, this PSU is ideal for high-end gaming rigs, workstations, and future-proof PC builds. And our last choice is Sama Power Supply. The Sama XP1000W Platinum PSU delivers top-tier efficiency and reliability for high-end gaming and content creation. 80 Plus Platinum certified, it achieves outstanding energy savings while reducing heat output, enabling a quieter, eco-friendly system without compromising performance. Fully ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compatible, it supports power-hungry GPUs like the RTX 3090 Ti, 4070 Ti, 4080, and 4090, with a 12V HPWR cable ensuring direct, stable power delivery. Built with premium 105 degrees Celsius Japanese capacitors, it guarantees long-lasting reliability under heavy loads. The 140mm FDB-ECO fan intelligently adjusts speed for near-silent operation while maintaining optimal airflow. Its fully modular design allows clean, customizable cable management, with soft, flexible embossed cables simplifying routing and reducing clutter. Equipped with multiple protections, OVP, OCP, OPP, OTP, UVP, SCP, it ensures system stability and safety. The Sama XP1000W combines power, efficiency, silence, and flexibility, making it an ideal choice for gamers, esports professionals, and creators seeking a future-proof, high-performance PSU. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.